Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to another video. Welcome to another vlog. We got some pretty dope stuff we gotta do today, so I figured I'd bring you guys along. Number one, we're gonna go drop off these center caps for Bobby's new wheels. A few days ago, we got her wheels on and I completely forgot about her center caps. So we're gonna go drop these off, and then number two, we are gonna go get this exhaust fixed on the FRS. Once and for all, whatever it takes, I'm gonna pay them to do whatever they need to do to get this exhaust to stop scraping. Let's go. Just kidding, guys. I cannot bring those center caps in. I went to grab them and bring them with me, but I realized there's still some silver on them, so I had to respray them. So Bobby, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Tomorrow. The swing literally adds enough weight to not be able to open the trunk. So how I open it, I have to hold up on the trunk and then hold down on that, and then I'll open it. Ow, ow. Damn, her car looks so good, guys. If you have not seen that video, go check it out. Hi.
What's up?
I have bad news.
What?
Are you sad?
What happened to my wheel?
No, your cap.
My cap?
Your caps, I couldn't bring them in.
Why?
Because I went to grab them and bring them, but there's some silver showing, so I had to paint them again.
Really?
And they're still wet.
Oh, my car looks ugly.
It looks so good. What are you talking about? It looks stink as fuck. Say it.
Stink. AF.
Say it.
No, I'm not saying that.
Do you not say bad words?
No, not unless I'm mad.
Good job. Let me go show you how Bobby's car is looking right now. I don't know if you guys have seen that video when we got these new wheels on, but damn. Oh, I thought she curbed it already. That white thing on her tire, I thought she curbed it. It looks so freaking good. So good. But I think she really needs some side skirts on it because she's got the diffuser on the rear, front lip up front, and then nothing on the side, and it definitely needs them. What do you guys think? I'm gonna throw a whole picture of her car on the screen, like a side angle view of it, and if you think it needs some sort of skirts on it, let me know in the comments below. That thing's coming along though. It is coming along. For a chick car, I mean, I don't really see that many chicks driving dope cars around here, and that thing's pretty fucking sick. And we have a speed bump. I don't know if I can make it over this speed bump. Nope, definitely not making it over that. Probably just cracked my skirt. Oh man, I need air rides so bad. I'm pretty much 100% sure, or 100% certain right now that I'm gonna be going air ride on the FRS because number one, well, when I was hanging out with Jordan, like comparing our cars, his car looks insane on the ground. So obviously this thing would look freaking insane on the ground as well. Stop picking at me, I'm vlogging. And then number two, for drivability wise, like we're taking this car to California, so I need air before then. Let's head to the exhaust shop though. All right, babe. Love you. I
love you. Maybe I'll see you at the gym.
Do we just fist bump?
Yeah, I hate when you do that.
Got her in finally on. Yeah, it's gonna be nice having this whole other bag. Oh man, that thing's all ground through. Holy shit. Look at that. Looks like my CVs are leaking as well. Mad angle on those CV axles, and it's kind of giving my CV boots a bunch of strain. And they are starting to leak.
See, I'll try to smash one end, but then keep this side big so
yeah.
it'll stay over.
So all we can do is maybe smash a piece and put it in there.
That's another thing I was thinking too.
See, the problem is you still have to flatten the Y.
Oh, wow, we got 2.5 inches. We got plenty of space now. Oh yeah, thank you, Dave. Appreciate it, man. It's enough for me. So I'll be back in a minute to grab you some beer. Super stoked, guys. It is not scraping at all, not rubbing whatsoever. I'm on my way right now, running to grab some beer because that is how they want me to pay them this time. Just grabbing them a 20-pack of Bud Light, and we are good to go. But yeah, we got like at least 3/4 of an inch. I just spit everywhere. We got at least 3/4 of an inch of that exhaust moved up, so it's perfect now. Some dude just hit me up on Instagram and is wanting to shoot the car tonight actually, so I'll be in town for a minute and I'm gonna show you guys some behind the scenes action of photo shoot stuff. I know I show you guys that quite a bit, but I feel like it is pretty damn interesting, so that's why I show you so much of that. We made it to our first location, so we're in front of this garage right here. Car is looking fucking dope in front of there. It looks super sick. This guy's got a pretty badass build as well. Gotta love those APR wings though. I'm Devin, by the way.
George.
Good to meet you, man.
You too, man.
Good to meet you. Go ahead.
And that is nice.
Thank you, appreciate it. We got a bunch of bangers coming out of this area right here, but we're gonna go ahead and find something a little more industrial. This is kind of like a country type theme, I thought. And he wants to shoot some more industrial type stuff. Should be pretty sick. I'll show you guys what we find. Pretty epic area right here. Yeah, I like this area. Looks good. Good job, Chase.
Oh, thanks, bud. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I think it's kind of dirty, but it's not too bad.
Because this is all private property.
Okay, yeah, we'll go talk to him.
Yeah, go talk to them.
You guys mind telling me what you're doing here?
We are taking photos, man.
This is private property.
We can't take photos here?
Well, you have to get permission from the park first.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Okay. Where do we get permission at?
No, I just don't want no one to harass you guys about this.
Yeah, I don't see the big deal. It's just sitting here taking photos.
Well, I know.
It's not
I
like
know.
we're damaging the property.
Oh, of course. Come on, you guys got high performance cars.
What was that?
You guys got high performance cars there. I'm more of an old-fashioned muscle fan, so.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Definitely.
Well, my dream is to work on get a Model T, but there's a drawback. You can't hit 2,500 RPM on those motors.
Oh really?
What?
Yeah.
Wow. Well,
Wow.
no, because it's the way the crankshafts were made.
Got a bunch of sick shots in front of these things here, and now we're gonna pull the car over there in front of that white building because it should be pretty clean over there. The orange with the white background, it should be pretty sick. Oh, so warm in here. Freaking cold outside. Got some quick shots over here, and now we're gonna go shoot some rollers. And I have 0 rollers on the car thus far of owning the car and getting it finished, but I really want some, so he's gonna go bust out some rollers. I like when people can direct good. There's some people I've shot with that don't know how to like direct anything. It's like trying to figure out yourself while driving is a pain in the ass. Got some super baller shots right here with the sun in the background. Those are super sick. Now we're gonna go find a little on-ramp or something to shoot, and that should be pretty dope as well. The light is getting scarce though, guys. Light is going down fast. But man, we are getting a lot of shots today. Probably, I don't know how many he's gonna send me or edit and send me, but there's gonna be a lot. There's gonna be a lot. Like I always say, if you guys wanna see all these photos, make sure to follow me on Instagram. And I'll also have this photographer's Instagram. His name is George. I'll have his Instagram down in the description box below as well. So make sure you guys go check him out. I'm sure he'll be posting a lot of photos of my car as well. And he takes some really freaking good photos. I like this.
Yeah.
You want me to pull
back up into it.
back up straight?
Okay.
Okay.
Straight.
So big. That's sick. Super sick location. Go, I was trying to get out of here. Yeah.
Alright, yeah, it's really
Good
cold.
scene, man.
Hey, you too, bro. Good to meet you, man.
Later.
Excited to see those photos.
I'll text you and
I gotta get out of here. I'm freezing. We're done with the shoot. Shoot went very well. We got so many photos. We were probably shooting for, I want to say 3 hours. 3 hours. I was planning originally to shoot for about a half hour, and we ended up shooting for like 3 hours, which is totally fine. I don't mind at all. But very excited to see all these photos. So very happy. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, guys. If you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button right up in the corner up there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.